And it's crispy? Listen, listen. Oh yeah. Is this recipe guaranteed to spice up your life? That's some spontaneous cat busting right there. He's got third-degree purrs. Don't worry, it's all special effects. There's no real fire.
Leo cooks things, I cook things.
Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make crispy oil chili crisps. It's redundant. Crispy chili oil. Let's crispify. Let's get crispy. Crispification starts now. First up, let's get some dried chilies. Dried chilies. I don't know how hot these are, but according to the package, they're the hottest. Hottest chili. Are you though? Woo! You got a kick. Ooh, it burns, kitty. What happened to the chili that got too drunk? He couldn't seed straight. This much chilies will be the chilies being used. Chili party, give your chilies a vasectomy. Remove their seeds. It doesn't matter if you remove all the seeds, but I like to take some out because they're gonna get bitter when you cook them. They're like spicy maracas. That's enough of that. I'm using Thai chilies here, but feel free to use anything you want. How's everyone doing? My face is on fire. It's a burning party in my mouth. Oh, 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 oh. It's a burning party in my mouth. Ugh, Miley Cyrus, slide into my DMs already. If this condiment was a retired actor, it would be called Crispy Glover. Just a light choppage. Don't breathe that in. Chippity chopped chilies. 3 or 4 tablespoons of chopped chili. Maybe like 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. Chili in the air. I'm gonna do 1.5 tablespoons of brown sugar. About 1 teaspoon of gochugaru. Go-Go Gadget gochugaru. 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame seeds. If you don't have toasted sesame seeds, just give regular sesame seeds a bit of reefer. That'll get them nice and toasted. Do people say reefer anymore? A little bit more than a tablespoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Whoop. Give it a taste. Whoop. It's important to always test your pap. It's a good thing that the A's in paprika aren't silent. 1 teaspoon of an abbreviated message. MSG. Woo. Flavors. And I just discovered this. Turns out I can just buy ready fried shallots. Ugh, save me so much time. Yummy. These shallots are just like me. Fried. 3 tablespoons of fried shallots. This garlic is just like me. Fried. Deja vu. About 3 tablespoons of fried garlic. That's gonna add the crispies to us. Combine all the ingredients now. Let's make some aromatic oil. Oh, I set fire to my face. I'm gonna thinly slice 8 cloves of garlic here. Freshly garlicked garlic. Sliced garlic goes into the pot. Ginger. Slice some ginger, like a thumb-sized piece of ginger. Put that in here as well. Why do most spices move to Hollywood? Because they all want to become star anises. Star anise goes in. I'm gonna do 2. 2 star anise. 3 cups of vegetable oil goes in. We're gonna do a medium heat here. Yeah, fire. We're basically impregnating the oil with flavor. Keep your eye on it. You wanna just get a little color on that garlic. POV. You are the POV. Hey, how you doing? Hello. Hello. How are you? Hello. Okay, focus. That garlic is getting there. We're getting a bit of color on the garlic. We're gonna remove the ginger, take out the star anise. Now we have this, and we have this, and we're gonna pour the oil into that. Do it very carefully. Woo! Mix it all up really nicely. That smells amazing. And let it cool off. Now you cool, oh, well, we lost our spoon. Uh-oh. We'll be right back after these messages. And then you're left with this, a pint of crispy chili oil. Hi. It's like a snow globe, except it's delicious. Chili crisp oil. Easy and delicious. Haha. Oh boy. Man, this is good. And it's crispy? Listen, listen. Oh yeah. Put that on eggs, noodles, burgers. Ooh, burgers. I'm gonna make burgers tonight. Look at that. It's so pretty. You wanna look? You wanna see? You wanna see close up? It's pretty. Look at this. Put that on anything you like. Put that in the fridge overnight and then you'll have peak flavors. Go make this. Put it on stuff. It's delicious. Delicious. Bye, friends.